Hi guys, can you believe today is May 4th? This is crazy. Summer is coming our way, isn't it? Okay, so for today, we are going to talk a little bit about our numbers. We're going to start off with our numbers today. So today is May 4th, and that means if we were sitting in the classroom, I wish I could record these at the classroom, we would have our calendar. And do you think the number 4 is at the top of the calendar or at the bottom of the calendar? You got it. It's at the top of the calendar. So that means we're starting a brand new month. And today we're also going to talk about telling time for the letter T. So time is so important. So what if when we were going to preschool all the time, you remember how we've talked about all the days of the week: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday? What if we go to preschool on certain days when we went to preschool, right? So we went to preschool on Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday, and everybody had a certain time that they came. So in morning class would come 8:30 to 10:30, or 8:15 to 10:15, and afternoon would come 12:15 to 2:15. So what if one day your mom, it's on a Saturday, and she's like, oh, it's time to go to preschool. If you guys showed up at the preschool, would Miss Kim be there to teach? We wouldn't, would I? I wouldn't be there. I'd probably be out having fun because it's on a Saturday. So when you guys go to karate or dance or soccer or baseball, everything has a certain time and day. And so that's why I always talk to you guys about calendar time, to get you familiar with how time goes. So today I have a clock, okay? And what we're going to do with our clock is we are going to read a silly book. I'm looking around. Where is my silly book? It's not right by me. But it's called Mr. Crocodile. What time is it? And Mr. Crocodile is going to go through his book, and he has things scheduled at certain time, okay? So on our clock, we have our what? If we were going to tell time, would we look at our letters or our numbers? You got it. We would look at our numbers. So on the clock, it goes from 1 to 12. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay? And this will help us as you get older. You're going to learn how to tell time. All right, so what we're going to do on this activity is you are going to have your clock. And I want you to cut alligator chomp all around this. This part can be tricky, so if you need help from your mom, just have her help you. And then you're going to cut the clock's mouth right through here, because when we get done with this, we're going to say, Mr. Crocodile, what time is it? And then you can start learning about how to tell time with your numbers, okay? All right, you guys go cut this out. And then on your numbers, what I want you to do, who can see that Miss Kim went? So there's the number 1, so I traced it, and then what did? I wrote it. 2, so I traced my number 2, and then I wrote my number 2. So that's what I want you guys to do, is trace it and write it. And then after you get done doing this, you can go watch the story about Mr. Crocodile. And then I will be back with the letter T.